Welcome to the most ridiculous comparison test ever conceived. Today, we're pitting two $250,000 sports cars against each other in the dirt. Meet the 2023 Porsche 911 Dakar and the 2023 Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato. Two luxury supercars that their manufacturers insist can actually handle off-road terrain. Porsche 911 Dakar, 473 horsepower twin-turbo flat-6 engine, lifted 50 millimeters higher than a standard 911 with an additional 30 millimeters lift system. 7.5 inches ground clearance max, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.2 seconds. Top speed, 150 miles per hour, limited by all-terrain tires. Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus tires, named after Porsche's 1984 Paris-Dakar rally victory, limited to 2,500 units worldwide. Price, $223,450 before you add the $28,000 rally design package. Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato, 602 horsepower screaming 5.2-liter V10, lifted 44 millimeters higher than the Huracán Evo, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds. Still faster despite being the off-road one. Top speed, 161 miles per hour, also tire limited. Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain run-flat tires. Sterrato means dirt road in Italian. Limited to 1,499 units. Price, $278,972 before the $62,000 in paint options. The Porsche was designed to win the Dakar Rally. The Lamborghini was designed to make your neighbors file a noise complaint. With 7.5 inches of ground clearance, the Dakar has less than a base model RAV4. The Sterrato, even less. Meanwhile, a $30,000 Subaru is literally pointing and laughing. The Dakar has rally launch control that allows 20% more wheel slip. The Sterrato just says, "Hold my espresso," and goes full send. Combined vehicle value, $502,000. Tow truck fee, $100. The look on their faces, priceless. And just like that, you remember why you paid $250,000. These things are sensational on the road. Let's be honest, this is what they're really for. So which one's better off-road? The answer is neither. Both will cost you your firstborn child in repairs if you actually use them as intended. The Porsche is more capable, but still hilariously impractical. The Lamborghini is absolutely bonkers, but somehow more usable daily. But here's the thing. Both are completely brilliant. The 911 Dakar makes you feel like a rally legend even at 30 miles per hour. The Sterrato is the most fun Huracán ever made. They're not off-road cars. They're not even really practical. They're $250,000 plus statements that say, "I can afford to do something completely unnecessary, and I'm going to enjoy every second of it." The real winner? Anyone who gets to drive either one.